MS model ship kits, an innovation in making scale model sails from the Age of Sail period. Introduction. During the Age of Sail, vessels including sloops, frigates, and first-rate ships featured sails that were not symmetrically reinforced on both sides. Areas subjected to greater stress, where the canvas would experience accelerated wear, were strengthened with additional layers of fabric, creating doubled or tripled sections known as linings and tabling. The distribution of these reinforced areas was not uniform across the sail. Depending on the sail's position and function aboard the ship, the pattern of linings and tabling varied significantly, resulting in visually distinct sides. For instance, topsails commonly featured reinforced upper sections to protect the canvas from abrasion when chafing against the mast tops during reefing operations. Similarly, the lower corners of sails were also doubled or thickened to provide security for the clews and the lower ring bolts, ensuring durability in these high-stress areas.
Abstract. On the fabric, there are pre-sewn sails with all their associated rigging lines. Positioned nearby, adjacent to the sails, are the corresponding lining and tabling pieces. The modeler should first carefully cut the sails away from the fabric material. To achieve clean, finished edges and prevent fraying, the recommended method is to apply an extremely thin coat of watered-down whitewood glue along the sail perimeters. Allow the glue to dry completely. Once hardened, use sharp scissors to cut out the sails, following their outer contours precisely. Repeat the same process for the accompanying lining and tabling pieces. Next, attach the linings and tabling to their designated positions on each sail using adhesive. To complete the sail assembly, stitch the various components together as specified in the instructions.
Comprehensive instructions. You can leave the sails as they are without adding linings, or you can add the linings. Add the bolt rope for a more authentic look. Definition of the linings and tabling. The canvas sewed on the leeches and middle of the sail to strengthen it. Types of the linings: leech lining, middle band, reef band, buntline cloths, mast cloths, top lining. Position of the linings on the sails. Top linings and mast cloths are put on the aft side, and all other linings on fore side of sail.
Cutting the sails, linings, and tabling. Cut the sails including the hem edges. Cut the linings and tabling taking care of the seams on them. The seams will give an impression like the linings and tabling were sewn to the sail. Process of cutting and folding the sail edges, the selvage. If you use a special glue, in America, white glue seems to work best and stays reasonably flexible. Apply the glue along the edges, cut the sails, and fold the edges over. Some modelers iron the folded edge to be sure it stays folded over. If you happen to cut a ragged edge, use a pair of very sharp scissors to trim the cut edge. When dry, trim any rough spots with a pair of sharp scissors. If you use a wood glue, such as Pattex by Henkel, dilute it with water and apply it with a brush over the edges, and when dry, trim with sharp scissors.
Hem the sails once or twice. If you do not use the linings, we suggest that you hem the sails by folding the hem twice to hide the cut edge, gluing and ironing it to fix the folds in place. If you use the linings on the sail leeches, you only need to hem them once.
Process of gluing the linings and tabling. If you use a special glue for fabric, apply the glue to both surfaces to glue and glue them together. If you use wood glue, as Pattex by Henkel, dilute it with water, apply it with a brush over both surfaces to glue. When dry, press the surfaces one to the other with a very hot iron. The glue will melt and unite into one whole when cold.
To sew the bolt rope and cringles to the sails, use a needle with a large eye. Sew the sail clew using a needle and thin thread. Sew the reef points by sewing them through the sail and tying an overhand knot on both sides of the sail fabric.